Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do an upgrade on the Socket 7 build, or the Pentium system, whatever you want to call it. And what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade the RAM. Recently my girlfriend bought a metric fuck ton of RAM, and it included a couple of SIMs, 30 pin and 72 pin. So, you know, there were some pretty interesting ones there. There was a 32 pin EDO SIM in there, but it did not come in a pair, so I couldn't really use that. So what I've got here, these are all pretty much guaranteed to work together. These two are 16 megabyte SIMs, and these two are 8 megabyte SIMs. They're all 70 or 16 nanosecond 72 pin SIMs. So this should work fine. I don't know what's in there right now. We're going to find out. And everything will be done on video. So this is going to be a very fun experience. Alright. Let's see, just pull back on them, I think. Like you do with ordinary RAM, or is it like different? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh, you push it in and it just, you know, it moves. Okay. Okay, this is a Toshiba 70 nanosecond SIM. Interesting. Okay, push the tabs. Well then. Okay. There's quite a bit of force to get these out compared to the modern day DIMMs, I gotta say. Maybe it's just me because I'm weak, I don't know. But yeah, I've never done this before, so it's interesting. Let's see. Okay, another 70 nanosecond SIM. 8 megabyte module. But yeah, this is why I talked to my girlfriend about taking full 60 nanosecond SIMs, because now I've got 4 60 nanosecond ones instead of these 4 now I have 60 nanosecond, and these were all 70 nanosecond SIMs. Okay, so now we got to figure out which side is which. I'm just going to take a guess here and expect him to only work one way. We'll find out whether that is a correct assumption or not. We'll find out sooner or later. If they are indeed backwards, we will find out. Right, so this would total to 48 megabytes instead of the 24 that was in there previously. So let's close the lid. There we go. And now it's time to fire it up and see if all the 48 megabytes are indeed recognized. And will this board support 60 nanosecond at all? Well, let's find out. Alright, no more premium 24-inch monitor for this machine. Alright. Yup, 49,152 kilobytes of RAM. Very nice. This machine needs to be re-imaged, but at least the memory is detected, so that's an upgrade with a great success. Next thing to do is to really switch the hard drive out for a compact flash card as soon as I can. So now let's see if Windows will boot up. It is currently running Windows 3.11 for workgroups. Well, at least it was before the RAM upgrade. There we go. There we go. It was a bit tricky to get the ATI Ridge 2 video card working on this machine, but at least on Windows 3.11. But I'm not going to show you that too much. This will be the end of the video. So the RAM upgrade was a success, so now I pretty much need to re-image this machine, then install my games again, and then I'll probably do another capture video from this machine to show you how well it games. But now at least I've got some more memory headroom. I know 16 megabytes would have been plenty, pretty much for a DOS gaming machine, but I've decided to do a little bit more than just DOS, and that pretty much requires 32 megs or better in an ideal scenario. So in that case, I just decided to get as much RAM as I possibly could, and this is, you know, what was offered to me, and seems to be working, so that's good. It's my first time installing Sims. I really need to get to know my old stuff better, but you know, you can only learn by doing stuff in this regard. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and yeah, don't forget to leave a comment if you have one.